Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove likes in Instagram. Here's how it's done. Open the Instagram app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu at the top right. Then select your activity. In the menu, tap on likes. This will show all the posts you have liked. To remove likes, tap select in the top right. Choose the post you want to unlike, then tap unlike at the bottom. A confirmation message will appear. Tap unlike again to confirm. If you want to unlike a specific post, you can also open that post. Tap the heart icon. It will immediately remove your like. Note, Instagram doesn't offer a way to unlike all posts at once. You'll need to do it manually. Also, the person who posted the content won't be notified when you unlike it. And that is everything you need to know about how to remove likes in Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.